Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about changing controls, layout, in Rainbow Six Mobile. Now, if you want better reaction time and smoother gameplay, adjusting your controls is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. To get started, you want to open Rainbow Six Mobile and head to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon on the main screen. From there, go into the controls tab where you'll find several layout options like default, classic, advanced, and custom. If you prefer something quick and simple, you can choose one of the preset layouts and start playing right away. But if you really want to optimize your setup, switch to custom. This lets you fully adjust your interface. You can drag buttons anywhere on the screen, resize them, move your fire button, crouch, lean controls, gadgets, and even adjust their opacity. So take your time setting it up in a way that feels natural. Keep your movement joystick comfortable and making sure it's comfortable for your left thumb, and position your aim and fire buttons where your right thumb can react quickly. Once everything feels right, you want to tap save to lock in your new layout. After that, hop into quick match or practice mode to test it out, and if anything feels off, you can always go back and tweak it. A well customized layout can seriously boost your accuracy and performance, especially in competitive matches. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!